How to clear app data on iPhone. To clear app data on your iPhone, first of all, go ahead and open up Settings on your iPhone. Once you're in, you will be able to access all the primary settings on your iPhone. Now, scroll down and tap on General. Then, tap on Phone Storage. Once you're here, you can manage all your default apps. Scroll down to any of the apps you want to clear the data from. Then, tap on it. After that, tap on the Delete App button. Then, tap on the Delete button again to confirm your action. Once you're done, the app and all the related data of this app will be erased. You can individually delete each application from your phone by following the same procedure. By following these simple steps, you can easily clear app data on your iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.